Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download Brother DCP-T720DW driver on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to open any browser. Once you open your browser, on the search bar, just search for Brother DCP-T720DW driver download and then click on enter. After that, just click the first link that will pop up on your screen. And then in this part, just choose your operating system. In my case, that is Windows. And then for the OS version, to know your OS version, just go here on the search bar and then search for system information. And then you should be able to see it right here under the system type. So I'm using 64-bit. And then for the OS name, I'm using Windows 11. So I'm going to click on Windows 11 because that is what my operating system version is. After that, I'm going to click on OK. And then in this part, just scroll down until you see drivers. And then under the drivers, we're going to look for printer driver. After that, click on this part and then click on agree. After that, let's wait for the file to be downloaded, which is right here. And then after installing, what we're going to do next is to click on show in folder. And then in this part, we're going to double click on this. And then after that, you will see this GDI folder. After that, on the search bar, search for printers. And then open printers and scanners. After that, just click on add device. And then just click add a new device under here. After that, just click on add a local printer. And then click on next. And then for the existing port, look for any USB port that you have. However, in my case, I don't have that. So I'm just going to click on null. After that, click on next. And then after that, I'm going to click on have disk. And then click on browse. After that, I'm going to click on downloads and then click on the folder that we have just extracted. And then we're going to choose this file right here. After that, click on OK. And then what we're going to do is to look for the printer that we are using. And in that case, that is the T720, which is right here. After that, click on next and then click on next again. And then the driver will now be installed. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. After that, just click on do not share and then click on next again and then click on finish. And then if you look right here, you would now be able to see the driver in this part. So that is basically it.